Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to connect Razer Huntsman Mini to Xbox. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, you might be wondering how to exactly connect your Razer Huntsman Mini here. Well, the thing with the Razer Huntsman Mini, it is actually compatible with your Xbox here, but there are going to be some limitations. Now, if you just want to start typing or start using this for games that support that, well, this one is fairly easy. It should work, but again, there are limitations. So for basic typing, you can use it, but for changing RGB lights or using macros, you won't be able to use that. So you can only use it on PC. So if you want to use or utilize those on your Xbox, again, you won't be able to use it. Just basic typing, so just any regular old keyboard. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and take your keyboard here, and you want to go ahead and take the USB-C section or end and just plug it into your keyboard. Now, take the USB-A part of your cord here and just plug it at the back here of your Xbox, and look for just any USB port that you could plug it in. But usually once you plug it in, it should be able, or you should be able to start using it for whatever game. But again, like what I said, there are going to be some limitations here, so you can only, or it will only work for games that support keyboard input. So games like Fortnite, Minecraft, or games are quite popular there. They usually support keyboard input. But for other games that may not support that, just keep in mind that you may not be able to use it. But that's how you connect your Razer Huntsman Mini. But hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at Line App. Thank you for watching.